Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem. So we need to press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Then type here services.msc and hit enter. Okay, so this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen, don't miss any steps, and we will fix this issue together. So once we are here, we need to find out the Windows audio. So here it is. Simply right click on it, select properties, go to set startup type as automatic. If this disable, then set it automatic, then click on apply and click on start. We need to start the services and click on OK. We can also simply select the Windows audio and click on restart the service. Once done, just close this window and right click on the start icon, go to device manager. Now we need to expand the audio inputs and outputs. First of we will going to upgrade the drivers of these two, microphone as well as speakers. So just follow my screen. We need to right click on the microphone, go to properties, go to drivers tab, click on update driver, then select the first one. If this does not work, then just go back and select the second option. Click on let me pick, select the particular model and click on next. Once done, just close this window. Again do the same process for the speakers also, and also do the same process for sound, video and game controller. Let's do quickly. Update, search it. Once done, just close this. Again do the same process for sound, video and game controller. Right click on it, select properties, go to drivers tab, click on update driver and select the first one. Once done, just close this window and just search bar and type here control panel, click here. Once we are here, we need to select the view by as large icons. If you selected category, then go to view by, select large icons, then just scroll down and click on sound. Once we are here, we need to right click on the speaker, disable it and again enable it. Then go to its properties, levels tab. Make sure we have to set it up to the 100% and check this option. It should be enabled. Then go to enhancements tab and check this option, disable all enhancements and click on OK. Close all windows one by one, just restart the system. You can also check out our pinned comment or in a description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better way to fix this issue. So don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.